kú dédé àsìkò yìí o gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Pavilion TV ẹ sì káàbọ̀ sí orí ìkànnì yìí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá ní gbogbo ìgbà o. Ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run Prophet MKO Tibetan wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ nínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run àgbà yìí sọ a ó jọ gbé e yẹ̀wò ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wo fọ́nrán yìí à ń padà bọ̀.
Nigeria has expired. You see it in the prediction. And if there's anything to make it forward, according to what the message, right? The only four things is just to come on the national TV, tell Ondo State what you have in Ondo State, use it to take care of yourself. Then Ekiti, what you have, use it to take care of yourself. Then Lagos, what you have, use it to take care of yourself. That's the only way out of this trouble. Then later again, the Ajaokuta. Anybody that has Ajaokuta in his own part is going to be another new Lagos. Now, all the people that has the bitumen and everything, the petroleum, they are going to be great too. Then they are going to give small. And they may not even give. Look at America. America is so big, vast land and everything. Look at the economy of California. It's even more than the economy of London, Nigeria, Germany, and Russia together. All together, one state. And they manage it. And they manage it. Because what we're doing here, the Lord said it's going to expose a lot of leaders this year. And some of our leaders will go and die in Egypt, in Turkey, in everywhere. They will be scattered all over. Because they are poisoned and polluted the hospital in Nigeria. So their body will be thrown in. So that's it. And all the money they have abroad, they will not have access to it. Then America are going to release part of our money this year. Part of the money they stole away from Nigeria will be returned this year. Then many bank managers will what? Will bury their wife and son. And some of them will die of heart attack. And then they're going to even rob themselves. Higher killers are going to be sent it from north and south to them. Like what you saw in Abeokuta at the eve. It was a bank something deal. That's why they killed the man, burned the man, and they threw the wife, the children into the water. Well, this is true. Nigerians are too mean.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà. A lérò pé ẹ ti rí kókó kan tàbí èkejì nínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá sọ wọ̀nyí. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti fi èrò tiyín ránṣẹ́ lórí comment section. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá ní gbogbo ìgbà. Ẹ subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí Pavilion TV fún àwọn ìròyìn àsìkò àti kàyéfì. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá.